air fryer pizza with only 5 minutes prep time on... Hey, Ma! Oh my, I was able to make this delicious pizza in the air fryer. Well, actually in my Instant Pot with the air fryer lid. The ingredients are instant pizza crust mix, tomato sauce, mozzarella, and whatever toppings you want. And you want to use the air fryer basket for this. You need those air holes at the bottom. This will go in the Instant Pot. We'll need cooking spray to spray the basket first. I like this reusable pump sprayer. I checked 2 brands of instant crust mix and they both have very similar instructions. You just need a half a cup of water and mix it up and let it set for 5 minutes. While I was waiting on that, I mixed some seasoning into the tomato sauce. After 5 minutes, I spread the dough on the bottom of the air fryer and cooked it for 5 minutes, flipped it and cooked it for another 5 minutes, then added my toppings and cooked it for 20 minutes. Okay. I'm not a food blogger, although maybe I should be. I cooked this in my air fryer, and I just want you to... Can you hear that crunch? I just want you to see, I just made a deep dish pizza in the air fryer. Thick crust. You know, thick crust, baby. Look at... Oh. Maybe I went a little too thick with the crust. Maybe I could have gotten 2 pizzas out of that pack. But, can you look at that? It's a half-an-hour pizza. It's insane. From scratch. Well, from this kind of scratch. Well, from this kind of scratch. But... I'm gonna try it. Okay. Here it goes. It's hot. Oh my goodness. So good. Okay. I'm gonna eat this. Bye.